Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to download Python in your PC. So guys, now let's begin. First of all, we have to search here python.org. Now click on all villages. Now guys, here you can see download the latest version for Windows. If you are using Windows, then click on this, and if you are using Linux or Unix, then click on this, or if you are using Mac OS, then click on this, or if you are using other operating system, then guys click on this. Now guys, click on download Python 3.10.0. This is the latest version. Now here you can see this. Here Python is downloading. Now guys, this is downloaded. Now click on this. So guys, now click on customize destination, and guys now click on next. Then guys, after this, now click on install. After this will going to be installed. This can take a moment. Till then, bye bye. So guys, now thanks for watching this video guys. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you want to get more computer related videos, then guys please make sure to subscribe and you'll press the bell icon. So guys, now thanks for watching for now. See you next time. Bye bye.